Today we will show you the correct way to use our hot press form. Cleaning the dishes is one of the basic aspects to prevent the dough from sticking to the dishes and to obtain a suitable spreading of the same. Operation to be performed before the daily use. First phase, cleaning with the machine off. With a damp sponge, I paste the dishes well and then dry them. Then I grease the dishes with kitchen paper and a drizzle of oil. The machine is ready to be turned on. Let's see the functionality of the different controls. Pressure timer. By turning the knob, I decide how long will be the contact of the plates with the dough. 2 thermostats for setting the temperature of the upper and lower plates. The maximum temperature is 180 degrees. We have 2 buttons to press to activate the plates. For safety reasons, both the ends must be involved. The thickness gauge. By turning the knob, I decide the thickness of my pizza. The suggested temperature. The suggested working temperature is included between 130 and 150 degrees. Working at the correct temperature allows you to obtain the desired result. Pasta will not remain stick to the dishes. The spreading will not need further retouching. The combination of ball weight, thickness and pressure time will determine the characteristics of my pizza. I wait for the dishes to reach the set temperature. The dough must be at room temperature and well leavened. This is another fundamental aspect, otherwise you will not be able to work the dough well, and once spread, the base will tend to shrink. Consider anyway that these are basic requirements also for those who work the dough by hand. Once the temperature is reached, I can proceed to a further check on the actual cleaning of the dishes. I take a bowl, I grease it with a veil of oil and put it in the center ready to be crushed. I set the pressure time to the maximum level and the filler gauge almost to the minimum level. I operate the machine, I give a first quick shot and then a second shot till the end of the cycle, until I have this effect. If I can remove any residue of pasta, it means that the dishes are deeply cleaned and ready to work. Now let's see some pressing to show that with the same bowl I can get different results based on the parameter settings. We take the portion in this way and lightly flour it. We can use semolina, we suggest it. First test with a high thickness, and as consequence we'll have a small diameter. We adjust the thickness by the knob. Here the thickness is lower and the base is larger. we are here quite at the minimum thickness. As you can see, changing the parameters, and in this case we changed only the thickness, we will have 3 different results.